Hello, uh, I'm Defer Jaldi. Once again, we meet in the same tutorial on my channel, Defer Jaldi, or in my Topian account, 8 Defer Jaldi, or same like the Steaming account. Today, uh, we learn about the C tutorial, like usually, how to make a manual program using switch case statement. This is about the switch case. Before that, we have to know what is the switch case. A switch case statement allows a variable or value of an expression to be the test for equality against a list of the possible keys, and when that is found, the block of code associated with the case is executed. And I will show you about the switch case flowchart of the switch case in my work in my Word Office. Explain one step by step. The first is the switch expression. Switch expression is the expression or the conditional expression to about the header of the case. And the next in the switch have what's about it the parent is of the switch has the condition or a conditional expression, that is some variable. And so in the suite have the any case, you have 8 more case. You add more case as you need. For example, I add for this case, for this sample, 3 case and 1 default. Case 1 out case to the constant 1, and then the statement of the case 1 code in the case 1, and then have the plug or the C programming language name break. Break stop the looping or the break up the looping. Except for example, if you choose the case 1 to the continue to the case 2 or case 3, add to break to be break up the case. For example, 1 case, and then if the break statement is the optional, the break statement at the end to each case calls switch statement to exit. If the break or block is, if the break statement is not used, all statement case 1, case 2 until case 3 below the case statement are also to execute until it found a break statement. And the last about default code block can execute when none of the case case 1 until case 3 with the expression default case is the optional and doesn't require a break statement. They require forget this is not required to print statement. Okay, this is the basic theory of the switch case. And next we go to the program. The first, you make the new program or new source file. For that, you open the Turbo C++ program, and then after the display like this, you open it, and then you name source file, name your file, the minimum, then save. After show it like this, the project display, you can include the preprocessor to the header file function, include your string .h, then use the kernel .h. Now start in the void main, and then name the parenthesis, add the bracket, close the bracket, then declare function gl. You have to end the statement, you have add the semicolon, then you add the data type is integer, simple for the this for this case add the integer, and then add the non-variable number 1, number 2, user, and option. Then you have add the output, the code, the quotation mark for the open the and the statement or the in the code. Calculator menu of calculator. Come to the calculator. I use my name in my program, this program. You add NDL to the new column. That you add the observe statement. Please, oh no, you have add the number of your calculator option, like 8. Sorry. 2 is subtraction, 3 is the mode, and the last is addition. After you add to the output from the code, you have add the input of your output from the display with the scene. Then you have add the variable option, and then semicolon. After you have the option, add the suite. We move to the suite case. So actually, absolutely suite case. Suite, I add the variable option of the suite, and then open the trigger. You have add the case 1, and then you add the column, add the output to the display, and then first number, semicolon. Then to the input to the variable number 1, to the same segment to the number 2 is the string number 2. And add the result or the formula of the addition. First is for the case 1 is the addition, number 1 plus number 2, semicolon. Then you can display the result. The result is then add the break. Okay, case 1 is finished. Then you write the case 2, solve the case 1 2, 12 number, 1. Some codes but different formula. Some code with different formula. Some takes. Some variable. In this formula, number 1 subtract the minus number 2. The value of the number 1 minus the operand in number 1 minus the operand number 2 of number 2, and display the output, the result. Size and case 3 same and like case 2 but a different formula. Difference of formula. In the case 3 is the multiply the value of the number 1 across the number 2 or the multiply before this make a display for the result. The result is at the result variable. Don't forget to add the break, and in the end have to add the semicolon. Don't forget to add the semicolon, because if you didn't show the syntax error, you have to add semicolon. It's very important. Small is but important. And the last, you add division. Number 1 division number 2. And display for the division. The result is remember is the break. The break is the optional. Same like the default statement of default is optional. If break statement not used, the case is and make the all the case show in display. After you add case or option in the menu, case 1 until case 4, the last you add default or default, yes, default column, and then display over the text of default. Available invalid menu. Invalid. It's very simple text of me. Then the last of the switch case, you add close the bracket and then add the cache character. The menu of the calculator program called menu program. If you follow the tutorial for the first step, you have the easy to make this some program else or the different subject or different tools of the C++. I don't know to see it. I'm sorry. After we add the code of this program, next step is the compile the program. Check any error. Oh, now is the 60, absolutely a success. And then after the compile, we must run. Well, let's begin to add option. I forgot to add some question of the in this calculator. Is it very bad? You use this is better, not beautiful to see, but with this choose the number 1 or the option 1 is 8. Enter the number 1, 2, 8, L plus 2. The result is 4. Is the 2. Next, we test to select the brick in the case 1. What happened? 1 success, and then run program. Test to choose the one case 1 is absolutely the first option, and then add the number 2 plus 1. Absolutely the result is 3, but you can see the next question next to add the number, enter number 2 is the from the case 2 or the subtraction. If because it is not use the brick. Oh, not use the brick. What happened? need to we have to add the break to stop the loop. Beauty the option is finally compile game success, and then you run. Of course, it's beautiful. It's very beautiful. Welcome to DevHub Calculator. It's available to the first option is 8. Second is sub until the division. I try to add is the not available number is in the display, like the 5 like the 5 or the different number is not available in the display, and then you get the message invalid. This is the menu program. Thank you for watching my tutorial. I'm sorry for my bad English. If you want more video about this tutorial, about the C++ tutorial, you can subscribe or follow my Steemit account. See you next time. Thank you.